Hey everybody, welcome to ToyTube. We have something really special today.
Spider-Man!
Spider-Man! We have a vintage Spider-Man sent by Grandma. It is from the movie Spider-Man 2 from the early 2000s.
Yep.
Web climbing Spider-Man with Bendy Web traps.
Yep.
This is something pretty cool. Grandma, I don't know if she got this at a yard sale or she'd been saving it for years or where we got it, but she found this in the attic and sent it for Henry.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it.
Here's Spider-Man. And here's the back pictures. There's actually none other action figures on the back. It says that could tangle guys up, which is pretty cool, and it could knock down a castle and he can swing. So this is a pretty cool toy. You also can attach that thing.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
It has web shooters?
See?
Oh my God. Guess how much this guy is worth.
How much?
So I looked it up on eBay. I don't think Grandma knows this, but on an unopened one is $60.
60.
That's kind of a lot, isn't it? He sent it for us to open. So I think we should open it. Yeah. Okay, cool. What is that?
What is that thing?
That's a big spider web he can shoot.
Oh.
How cool is that thing?
Really?
Yeah?
Let's open it.
Should we open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to get to opening this?
Yeah.
All right.
Really? One more close up? Now let's crack this thing open. Oh, I see this teeny tiny web shooter, see?
Just poke it really hard. Poke it, yeah. Really hard poke. Yeah, punch it. You can get it. Open that thing up. Yes, you got it.
Whoa, this is a huge Spider-Man. Oh, he's actually bigger than most of my action figures.
He is bigger than most of them, isn't he? These ones are kind of tricky. So sometimes these have these little bendy things in the back, so we got to kind of twist them off. So Henry, what do you love about Spider-Man?
We like that. It's a really cool action figure, and he's a really cool toy because I like guys who webs, bad guys. He's a pretty strong superhero. Maybe there's just so many.
Yeah.
Maybe the workers that made this said, hey, maybe we will make this Spider-Man just knock him out the box.
You can get out. It's almost there.
So here's the actual Spider-Man. He's actually really humongous. Then here's the back of him. I think. Oh, I don't know what these are. Oh, so he can swing between these webs. Do you think this web actually goes into that web shooter?
Maybe. Let me see.
This is where.
So it looks like we can swing and shoot webs and trap bad guys. So this, you stick it in the web shooter. Whoa, that's a huge web.
He does!
Yeah, nice. Look at him. Ah, who turned out the lights?
I did it.
Hi, Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man too?
Yeah, but I'm the Iron Spider.
The Iron Spider? Awesome. How'd you get up here?
I don't know. Webs.
Webs. Stop. Don't get me with your webs.
Look at, he's hanging upside down. Look at.
I wonder if I can hang upside down.
Nope.
Nope.
He just falls to another part. Look at me. I'm swinging with both webs.
Let's take a look at this toy. All right, so you want to show all the features of him? He's got a web that shoots out. It's like a grappling hook, so you can attach it somewhere and he zips up.
So he has a web with a rope shooting out. And he also has this web
That's awesome.
This huge one that you could swing on stuff, and this other one might be for tying.
Oh, so one's for tying and one's for swinging?
Yep.
Awesome. That one's kind of like a grappling hook. It actually came with 2 of these spinning things, so you can really articulate them, turn them. They hold their position, which is pretty cool.
So he moves like this. His toes move. His other toes move. His wings move. And his other wings move. All of him just with not those webs. Here's the back.
Should we have him catch a bad guy?
Yeah.
All right. Where's the bad guy at?
Hey, Spider-Man, get down here.
I won't.
I'll chop your spider web with my lightsaber.
You can't.
Why not?
Because guess what?
What? You hurry up! Ah! Oh no! Oh, you caught me in my web! Spider-Man to the rescue!
Thanks for joining us. This toy is really old, and
Yeah.
it's super cool.
And I love getting it out of brand new.
Yeah, it's so cool that we get to get a brand new toy that's like almost 20 years old. So it has a lot of really neat features. This is going to be a really fun one to play with.
And it might even be I might not be even old enough for this toy.
I think you're old enough.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe anybody can play with this.
Yeah, probably not babies,
Yeah.
but yeah.
But anybody else.
But just about anybody else, yeah. So thanks for joining us today on ToyTube. I hope you subscribe if you like our videos or like them, and be sure to join us next time.
And you could hit any button. Lego Star Wars Battle, you could hit the battle ones of us with Legos. Or these Star Wars action figures, you could also hit that one.
Yes.
We have so many videos.
We have so many videos. We're going to have Lego battles, action figure battles, all kinds.
Yep.
All right.
So this is my Spider-Man.
Yep. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thanks, Grandma.
Thanks, Grandma.